Hello, I am Mr. Brandt, and I'm going to be helping you through this Algebra 1 journey this semester. The purpose of this video is to share with you how you're going to navigate through the course on Canvas, which you will access by logging into your Google Chromebook using your school ID and the password they give you, and which you'll probably change. So you'll log into your Chromebook every day, and Canvas will automatically pop up. And I'm going to share with you how you get to the course and how you get to the important things in this course that you need to know about. All right, so let me share with what you're going to see. All right, so this is the dashboard that you're going to see when you log into Canvas. Now, I have a lot of courses here. You won't have as many, but here's Algebra 1, the class that we are together with once a day, every day for this semester. Let's see what's in here. All right, when you click on it first, you'll come to the home page, and there's the Indian River logo, Algebra 1 Fall Semester 2024. And there's a picture of me and my lovely wife, Marie. We were visiting the Natural Bridge, which is out in Southwest Virginia, kind of near the Wintergreen Mountains, about an hour from the Wintergreen Mountains. And it's kind of deceiving how big that, mountainside is there. That's a long ways back behind us. And when you actually walk underneath it, kind of awe-inspiring how large that is and how that was basically made by nature itself. But that's me introducing myself. I'm Mr. Brandt. I'll be facilitating, I have a hard time saying that word, your learning journey. All right, let's click on other things that you'll need to look at. Oh, here, I'm going to post announcements from time to time, and you'll get notifications when announcements are posted. Here's where your grades will be kept. We don't have any grades yet. Okay, let's see. I got to go back here. I don't know why when I click grades, it popped me out of here, but it did. Here are where you're going to spend most of your time here is in these modules. Now, Unit 1 is kind of already organized here, but every unit is going to be organized pretty much the same way. At the top of each unit, there's a progress tracker with dates. So let's click on that and see what the first progress tracker looks like. The way I've organized this progress tracker, basically blue tells you what each lesson is about. And blue tells you where the practice is. Green is where you'll be watching the video and taking guided notes. And the yellow that you see, that kind of pops out a bit. Those are called mastery checks. I don't like to use the word quizzes because quizzes kind of implies kind of a one and done thing. That's not what mastery checks are. Yes, they'll count as a quiz grade. However, they are designed to measure your progress and show that you've mastered a topic. If you have not mastered a topic, you will get a chance to go back and re-practice that, brush up on it, and try it again. All right. Once you have mastered that mastery check, the high grade is just going to be recorded, and you really need to get that grade to show that you've mastered to move on. So it's a much more positive approach than what you may be used to as quizzes. At the very end, there's the unit assessment. I want you to notice in gray here, it says check in with Mr. Brandt, and that's after the third skill in that first unit. I will be checking in with you much more often than that, but here I want you to stop, and here's an important one because I want to know how are you doing through this journey through Unit 1. I want to make sure you're ready. There's one skill left before the unit assessment. I want to make sure everybody's up to speed at this point before they progress any further. All right, so let's go back and see what's next in this module. So that was the progress checker. Skill 1.1 here, it says that's basically what the first skill is about. There's guided notes. There's a video here. It's about a 8-9 minute video that you'll use. Well, let me show you what the guided notes look like. All right, the guided notes, this is a PDF file, but I have a paper copy available in class. That's what the guided notes will look like. You'll have those in front of you as you watch the video. In the video, when you click on that, that'll take you right to the video. It's in YouTube, but I have the link embedded here. Here's the practice. That's also a PDF file. This is the practice that you'll do. Click on that. That is also a PDF file, but I'll have paper copies available in class. And I will be able to look at your practice in class to see that you are getting it. And does it look like you're getting ready for that first skill check? Okay. Let's see, that was the practice. This is where the mastery check itself is actually located. This is on paper right here, but sometimes they will be assignments on Canvas that you'll take digitally, but you'll actually turn in your scratch work. So I'll bounce back and forth sometimes between paper and pencil, and sometimes I'll do digital. And the other skills are set up basically the same way. In this section here at the bottom, after you see skill 1.4, there are some extra challenges and extensions that I recommend. That is basically, I know you got it, but now do you really get it? And so maybe looking at some topics you learned in a slightly different angle. And these skills are important because not only do they take you to another level, but they also kind of point you towards tackling some of those SOL questions you'll see at the end of the semester, and maybe even brushing you up for potential SAT questions in the future. And here's where Unit 1 assessment is. Right now, I'm thinking that's going to be digital, but sometimes that could also be paper and pencil. And if you look underneath the modules here, there's another section here. Here's where there's a discussion board here. If you click here, you can post any questions you have during Unit 1. Was a video unclear? Do you see a question on a practice sheet you didn't think was quite covered in a video? There was a problem with the video. You couldn't hear anything, any concerns you have, you can post here. I'll see those. And sometimes perhaps even other students may be able to answer your question. And when you see somebody answer a question, that might point you in a direction. Maybe that somebody might want to work with to complete this assignment. But anyway, this is what you'll need. This is all the important things you'll need to be aware of as you get through the course. All right. And again, I'm Mr. Brandt, and I am really looking forward to getting through learning about Algebra 1 hopefully in a slightly different way, but hopefully much better way than you've experienced your journey through math in the past. And I look forward to working with you.